Ulmus minor, or Field Elm. This is one of the most forgiving and vigorous species in the bonsai world. It grows fast, handles pruning very well, and thrives in many environments. In this guide, I'll show you how to care for your elm so that it will thrive year-round. First, light and temperature. This tree grows best outdoors in full sun. It sheds its leaves in winter and goes dormant, just like in nature. It can live indoors too, but needs high humidity. And indoor elms grow slower and may not lose their leaves in winter, which is, in the long term, not optimal. Next is watering. Elms like moist soil. Water frequently, especially in warm weather. In winter, reduce watering, but never let the soil go completely dry. Use well-draining bonsai soil to avoid root rot. What we mean is a mix of Akadama, pumice and lava rock. This works well most of the time. Ulmus minus tolerates a wide pH range from 5 to 8. You can add some organic matter for better water retention, but it's not necessary. Now, fertilizing. In spring, use high nitrogen for fast, strong growth. In late summer, switch to lower nitrogen fertilizer with higher potassium. This will harden off the wood and avoid leggy, weak branches in autumn. Let's talk about repotting. Young trees should be repotted every 2 years, maybe 3. Mature trees every 3 to 4. Elms recover fast, so don't be afraid to prune root aggressively. Just use clean tools to avoid any infection. Next, pruning and wiring. Light pruning during the growing season keeps the branches dense and ramified. Heavy pruning is best done after midsummer to avoid strong callus formation. You can wire almost any time, but avoid early spring when growth is rapid and bark scars easily. Now pests. Elms are tough, but watch for aphids, leafhoppers, spider mites and gall mites. Keep the tree clean and the humidity balanced. And of course, avoid these common mistakes. Overwatering and underwatering, of course. Feeding high nitrogen too late in the season and skipping repotting. Also, pest signs should be taken always seriously to avoid infection getting out of control.